Today we will be installing an EcoHitch part number X7219 on a Toyota RAV4. Start by removing the two plastic covers on the underside of the vehicle and save all clips for reinstallation. Lubricate the two rubber exhaust isolators, then slide out the exhaust hanger pins. Lower the exhaust and support it with a stand. Do not let the exhaust hang freely. Remove the bracket on top of the exhaust and discard. Unbolt the keyless entry system antenna from underneath the bumper. Remove the tow hook on the driver's side of the vehicle and discard. On later year vehicles such as this one, trimming of the bumper is required for the receiver to fit. Follow the trimming dimensions in your instructions. Place the EcoHitch into position by lining up the holes in the frame plates with the existing weld nuts in the vehicle frame rails. Secure the hitch with a bolt, lock washer, and flat washer on each side, then hand tighten. Center the receiver relative to the vehicle and torque bolts to recommended specs. Reinstall the exhaust hanger pins into the rubber isolators. Attach the supplied Velcro to the back of the keyless entry system antenna and secure the unit to the cross tube of the EcoHitch. Reinstall the driver's side plastic cover. Trim the passenger side cover as shown in the instructions and reinstall. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.